everyone. Today's topic is Finance Commission. The Government of India has appointed the 16th Finance Commission this year, thus important for prelims 2025. Finance Commission is a constitutional body constituted under the Article 280 by the President. Now, let me know in the comment section which article mandates the State Finance Commission. Finance Commission is a quasi-judicial body constituted every 5th year or earlier if President seems necessary. It consists of the chairman and also 4 other members to be appointed by the President. The eligibility for reappointment is there. It determines the vertical distribution of revenue between the center and state and also horizontal devolution of the revenue between the states. The principles that govern grant in aids to the states by the center, it's its second function. Thirdly, the measures needed to augment the consolidated fund of state to the local bodies can be suggested by this body. Fourth, any other matter which can be referred by the President in the interest of sound finance is also done by this body. What are the qualifications of the members? The chairman should be a person experienced in public affairs, and the other members, one is a judge of the High Court or anyone qualified to be so. And also the second person is specialized in the knowledge of finance and accounts. The third person should have wide experience in financial matters as well as administration. And the fourth person should be specialized knowledge in economics. Now, the commission submits the report to the President, who lays it before the both houses of Parliament. And the recommendations by the Finance Commission are only advisory in nature and not binding on the government. Let us solve a question of prelims 2023. From the horizontal devolution, the 15th Finance Commission used how many of the above criteria other than the population area and income distance? The answer is demographic performance, forest and ecology, but not governance reforms and stable government, tax and financial efforts. Thus, the answer is only 3. Thank you.